Hello and welcome back to the channel. We're at the Old Mill Caravan Park near Bempton, and today we're going to go into Bridlington. Down at Bridlington Harbour. Bit of a sea threat, isn't there, today? A little bit drizzly. Tide's in. Last time we were, I think we're on Bridlington. Tide were out last time. Pirate ships coming in. Yeah, there's a little bit of mist, isn't there, but nothing. No. Pirate ships coming in. It's a bit wibbly wobbly. I think you'd be sick on that one, wouldn't you? Yes, it's a good old seaside town, Bridlington, isn't it? Scavengers.
Please turn right down here. Not that boat, not that.
The smell of fish and chips, waffles, donuts. Plenty of fish in the sea.
Not as many as there used to be.
No. Seen this fishing boat? Are you warm enough?
No. That's why I'm keeping moving.
Yes, it's certainly a bit different weather than the other day. It's a good sandy beach, that one, though, isn't it? I don't know what they are, but they're all down on edge at sea. Yeah, little 3-foot bits in sand, I think, aren't they? Yes, it's a good sandy beach, isn't it? Certainly plenty of seabirds out there.
That's it, count.
Yeah, colder than the other day, I bet you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice to see where they go around with machine and clean up beach, isn't it? Lifeboats not open yet, apart from shop. Not many on that one. Speedboats going out anyway. Yeah, they probably combine that little fair that used to be down this south side, with main one up there. Yeah, they're only little rides, weren't they? There were motorboats, weren't there, if I remember right. Yeah, because like you say, all this is new here, isn't it? Oh, since last time we were here with kids, all them years ago. They've invested though, haven't they, in Bridlington, I must admit.
Yeah. More than a lot of places.
It's not getting any sun here. Could be over Bridlington from south side. Remember when we used to come with kids, used to park up here for free. Our 30 years ago, like. Now it's £6.30 for all day.
Yeah.
Which I suppose isn't bad in today's world.
I don't think it is really. Declining milk.
Yeah, there's some lovely properties up here though, aren't there?
Beautiful, either end.
Yeah.
Either end.
Yeah.
I mean, the centre, as seaside towns go, it's not bad.
No?
It's not bad.
You going in? Nice cup of coffee in the spa. Yeah. So all this. Yeah, I'm sure that's coming since we walked down that way, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's all like your seaside town now, isn't it? Eh? Get your amusements going.
There's a major way, so if you need a change, just please up your knee and run away. Don't be shy. Come on.
Don't be shy, don't be shy. Plenty of places to spend your money. Yeah, I think that's where they're having, we're doing bowls. And there's have to do bowling. What are you going on this afternoon then with me?
she won't go now.
No, she won't, will she? Well, it's nice to see the sun coming out. Dew brave in sea. Makes all difference when the sun comes out, doesn't it? Yeah, an hour. I made land train that other one this morning. It's certainly a good old beach, this one, isn't it? Both sides, aren't they? Yeah. And they serve plenty of food there anyway, don't they? Everything you want. Everything you want that's unhealthy. Yes, you can certainly walk some miles, can't you? That's it, to end at prom.
Yeah, you only have 10 minutes left, so I've got an hour on. Okay.
Next walk is up to Sowerby.
Yeah. It's certainly not green grass up there, is it?
No, certainly not green grass. Moment of relaxation on the seafront.
Yeah.
Amongst the bushes. We'll work his way back. Well, it's better weather than what we thought it was going to be today.
Yeah, it is. I think you're right.
Yeah.
But I tell you what, to get most of the day, you're not.
No, we've not done too bad.
No.
Well, like I say, to say it's middle of school holidays.
Yeah.
It's not as busy as what I thought it'd be.
We've been busy.
Yeah.
Not in our season, it's
Been busy, yeah. Not quite as turquoise as today, 'cause it's cloudier, isn't it? It's like all this fitness centre and swimming pool and that, isn't it?
I mean, that owns it.
Yeah.
All that beautiful
Yeah.
there on that promise beach.
Yeah, it's got a lot to offer, Bridlington, I must admit.
It has.
Proper seaside family holiday place as well.
A lot
Isn't it?
better than a lot of places.
So whoever that reporter was who gave it a damning report, you got it wrong.
I did get it wrong.
Got everything you want in Bridlington. So they should be over here soon then. It is, yeah, down there at Wetherspoons. All the fun of the fair, eh? Yes, there's certainly plenty to do to keep your family occupied in Bridlington. So we're going in for a game of bowls in a bit. I'll blame it on tails. Oh, she's done it. In the gutter. I got it. At least you got some down last time. Yeah, I think Nathan's first one we're looking. Oh, it's worked out. Oh. Here's one now. Too heavy then. Yes, 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 yes. Look, look. Oh, so close. She nearly got a strike. Oh, play it. Right. You done it? Oh! Granddad one. He's changed a bit, hasn't he, since we went in for bowling? Otherwise, pretty cold out there, man. Go on, take over. Finish. Did you win? Yay. Hope you enjoyed that video from Bridlington. I am not sure whatever that reporter saw about Bridlington and give it such a damning report. It's probably one of the better seaside towns we've been to over the last few years. It's a nice place, it's a good family place, plenty to do, and the surrounding area, there's lots and lots to do around here. So we actually like Bridlington. Some people might hate it, but in my view. It's a great little seaside town. So if you liked the few bits and bobs that we've had around Bridlington, and you've enjoyed the video, don't forget, give that thumbs up. And if you're really not subscribed and you like what's on the channel, please click that little subscribe button. And to keep you notified, if you click that little notification bell, it'll tell you when we upload some more videos. So until the next video, which is probably going to be from our month away, near enough, on his way to Scotland next month. So we'll say goodbye for now, and we'll see you on his way to Scotland. Bye for now.